G'day, I'm Steve Hay and this is Woodworking Masterclass. Welcome to the workshop. This is an excerpt from a recent live stream we did with a special guest, Mike Davis of Record Power, and also a wood carving master in his own right. And he's going to share how to sharpen V-tools.
You've got two flat chisels meeting, but three grinds. One grind, two grind, and the same off the heel. We want to reduce that. The inside bevel is always still flat, so if we're grinding, we are grinding one angle, two angle, three, where we're rounding off that heel. And when we're sharpening on an oil stone, again, if we're going for a second bevel, it's a flat chisel. So we'll create a bevel on there, same on the second. And for the heel, just round that over. So can you see that shape? So that will help us remove the burr from the inside of that V-tool right down. There's a couple of important things to do or consider with V-tools. So some people will ask, do we like the wings coming backwards, forwards, or 90 degrees? The key is not to have one go in that way and the other one go in the other. That's the skill. That's the thing that we want to make sure that whatever angle, whichever way you have them, it's consistent. Again, it actually depends to the style or what the application of the V-tool is being used for. I don't mind the V's coming back ever so slightly. I would choose not to have them coming forward of the cutting edge. Back ever so slightly, not a prob, but the general preference, as Steve is nodding, is basically 90 degrees to the heel of the tool. So I mean, that's basically it. Anywhere between 20 and 30 degrees, depending on what you're cutting. Three grinds, but keep the wings of the tool consistent.